students, today let's start with chapter number 8, latest technological advance. So in this chapter, let's study about the different new technology, that is AI, IoT, Internet of Things, 3D printing and robots. So in today's rapidly changing world, technology has played a major role. Never technologies are evolving every day across the globe. To keep ourselves updated, it is important for us to know absolute latest technology will develop. So artificial intelligence, that is AI, you have already read about artificial intelligence in earlier cases. And AI is the branch of computer science जो किस पे aim करता है, creating what experts and intelligent computer system, right? That stimulate human qualities, learning, reasoning, communicating, hearing and sensation. It is used to create an intelligent machine that helps us, and it's a part of almost everything that we see. Some main areas of application are expert system. So in this, it can be defined as communicating computer program जो आपके problems को solve कर सकता है. How? Otherwise require human assistance. यहाँ पे आपको human assistance की भी need हो. Next is these programs replicate reasoning process expert in certain area like Spectre was the first expert system. Right, ये पहला expert system था. Natural language processor, that is NLP. It is the method by which computer can recognize and ये understand भी कर सकता है spoken or written human language की. Right? Here you can translate spoken language. Now intelligent agent, it is a type of computer program that is built in intelligence which keeps checks on the work pattern. वो question ask करता है, right? Different task को perform करता है. And the intelligent agent searches the internet and the available databases for inference. और ये results को comply करता है after filtering. It is based on our previous surfing history. Right? Pattern recognition, the type of software comprises a camera and software which together identify repetitive pattern. और ये क्या establish करता है? Connection between patterns stored in the database. Now robotics. Shaki was the first robot AI जो navigate करता था. It is developed in 1970. There are so many robots that uses AI such as Rosie, Roscoe, which is used in hospital to supply medicines. Right? Next we have, right? So intelligence apps, मतलब AI apps, it is a software written on mobile devices which is based on artificial intelligence and machine learning technology. It is aimed at making every task easier. It involves tasks like organizing, pricing emails, scheduling meetings, logging interactions, and then we have augmented reality or virtual reality. So what is augmented reality? Is the blending of virtual reality and real life. It is a technology to superimpose information. Sound हो गया, images हो गया, text हो गया, real world. Images are created by developers within application that blend in it with content. Right? Next is AR is not a new technology. It is used in display panels, fighter aircraft. It display information about ITP, direction, speed of aircraft. In 2019, Manchester Institute of Technology developed Sixth Sense. It is a small device. एक worm-like pendant है जो combine करता है use of camera. Small projection smartphone mirror. Right? Google Glass, it is created in 2030. It is a hearable AR interface. AR interface है जो हेल्प करता है यूजर टू रिमेन फोकस इन द वर्क. ये ग्लास स्क्रीन थ्रू अ स्मॉल प्रोजेक्टर डिस्प्ले करता है वॉइस कमांड्स. राइट? सो एआर एंटर्स अ लाइव्स मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल थ्रू फोन्स एंड टैबलेट. वीटो टेक्नोलॉजी मतलब स्टार बॉक ऐप है जो आपका पॉइंट करता है फोन को टैबलेट कैमरे को. वन मोर ऐप कॉल्ड लायर यूजेस जीपीएस लोकेशन ऑफ द स्मार्टफोन और इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करता है अबाउट यूजर सराउंडिंग. Right? Disney Research developed coloring book with AR after the use color character in the book. It launches the app on the device which uses camera to detect character that was colored. The app also uses AR to recreate the character in the 3D format of the virtual reality, that is VR. ये क्या create करता है? Virtual world that user can interface with. The user cannot easily distinguish between what is real and what is virtual. So both VR and AR. People must wear HMD, means head mounted display, or VR means Oculus Rift of the Google Cardboard. The headset has two small helio display screen on the eye. The headphones play a stereophonic sound or even 3D sound so that they feel you are hearing sound various places around it. The globes have sensor too to collect data about your hand movement. Right? Next is we must remember that the journey of VR started in 90s. With the 910 boy, but it really do not catch on. Now, आपको जो केस हम बताएंगे वो क्या है कि जो स्मार्टफोन है, स्मॉल स्मार्टफोन, VR स्टिमुलेटेड डिवाइसेस जो है वो क्या रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? बिहेवियर, physical or abstract system. They are used to train bus driver, pilot, surgeon can develop their surgical tech through stimulation. Now, Internet of Things, that is IoT, it has become buzzword nowadays. It is a system of connected computing device. Mechanical and digital machines for creating a virtual network. Their monitoring centers ensure that everything is working smoothly. कि हर एक चीज क्या हो रही है smoothly work करे. The corrected device gather and share data about their usage, and then one device can be your smartphone, refrigerator, television, washing machine. A light bulb that can be switched on using a smartphone app, a motion sensor, or a smart thermostat in your office, or connect street lights are the example of IA. Neil Gross famously said that in 1999, in the next century, planet Earth will don an electronic skin, and we will use internet as a scaffold. जो क्या सपोर्ट करेगा आपका transmit exchange. Now, smart thermostat like Nest use sensor real-time weather forecast and actual activity in your home during day to day. जो क्या reduce करता है monthly energy usage up to 30%, keeping us you more comfortable and offer to save you money on your utility. 3D printing क्या है? Three dimensional printing technology है, which was first developed by MI. A process of making physical objects from a three-dimensional physical model. It is use 3D digital data on the computer so that you can build 3D object by adding layers. Right? The major application of 3D printing are education. एजुकेशन सेक्टर में इसका ज़्यादा यूज किया जाता है. जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो फ्यूचर के लिए डिफरेंट प्रोटोटाइप्स क्या करते हैं, प्रिपेयर करते हैं, एंड इट हेल्प्स स्टूडेंट टू डिजाइन एंड प्रोड्यूस मॉडल्स. Now, rapid prototypes, that is RP methods, it is create models, quickly test a new product before mass production. Now we have medicines. जो आपका last several year 3D applications have increased main fold of the world. This range from bioprinting, जहाँ पे biological material जो है cells का growth factors fused to create tissue-like structure. With 3D printing, prosthetics can be modeled, customized. Now constructions के लिए भी हम use करते हैं. Next is artwork and jewelry. The use of 3D printing has led to jewelry maker to experiment with non-traditional designs. Now, to make individual exclusive pieces, customized pieces of jewelry at lesser cost with 3D printing materials. Now, there are many 3D printing methods. First is direct 3D printing, जिसमें हम inkjet टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करते हैं. ब्लाइंडर 3D, जिसमें हम नोजल्स का यूज करते हैं. मल्टीजेट मॉडलिंग, जिसमें हम मल्टी मटेरियल का यूज करते हैं. फ्यूज डिपोजिशन मॉडलिंग, in this technique we use direct 3D print. We also have selective deposit lamination, direct metal laser stimulating, and electronic beam melting techniques. Now, robotic process automation. So, we can say most of the jobs in industry consist of tasks that are repetitive in nature and can be automated. Robotic process automation जो होता है वो allow करता है organization to automate tasks with human being doing across any application. इसका पर्पस क्या होता है? ट्रांसफर द एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम ह्यूमन टू रोबोट्स. राइट. व्हाट आर द एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ आरपी इन वेरियस इंडस्ट्रीज? दे आर लिस्टेड बिलो. अगर हम हेल्थ केयर की बात करें, सो इन हेल्थ केयर पेशेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन वाले, इंश्योरेंस क्लेम प्रोसेस, क्लियरेंस एंड प्रीमियम इन्फॉर्मेशन, टेलीकॉम में सर्विस ऑर्डर मैसेज, क्वालिटी चेक, ट्रैवल में टिकट बुकिंग, पैसेंजर डिटेल अकाउंटिंग, बैंकिंग और फाइनेंशियल सर्विस में एक्टिवेशन ऑफ कार्ड चेकिंग, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और रिटेल में बिल ऑफ मटेरियल एंड कैलकुलेशन ऑफ सेक्स एंड दैट. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.